Hey everyone, so I don't normally do these sort of videos, but I've been having a few people message me asking what I've actually done to the bike and added onto it from stock. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around and show everyone what I've actually had added on. Got the Victory bar end mirrors, so I think they're the best ones I've found so far. So I did have a aftermarket screen on, but I didn't really get on with it, so I put the stock back on. We've got some rad and oil guard covers down there. They were just standard cheapy ones off eBay, PPF wrapped. You can see in a few places it's bubbling, but it just gives it some extra added protection. Got a cover for that. Got the ASB levers. Got the quad lock for my mobile phone when I'm using it as a sat nav. Stomp grips. Got the RMG protection. I've got the crash bungs, the bobbins for the rear paddock stands. Front protection forks as well. Got the aftermarket rear seat cover. Got the Evo Tech blanks from where the rear pegs were. The Austin Racing exhaust. I'll fire that up in a minute so you can hear it. RMG protection. And there she is. So the people that have been asking about the sound, I found that the best for me was, originally I had a purple mic for the rear seat, which is where the microphone was. GoPro mounted on the screen facing me, plugged in with a mic adapter. Didn't really like the view. What I've done now is I've actually got the microphone fitted underneath the main seat. I've got the GoPro mic adapter, an annoying adapter you need to actually use a microphone on the GoPro. And then what I do now is I have my GoPro fitted here, and that's plugged in to the Purple Panda mic. My GoPro Max on the tank, forward facing, rear facing GoPro with the microphone, flipping between rear and front facing.